Hey, what's up, everybody? So you've seen the video before that about Cyberpunk and how do you actually manage the setting. I want to tell you something. Maybe you didn't notice. The power supply for my system is 650 watts, and the reason why I actually picked the 650 watts is it's actually a sweet spot for you. If you saw the power draw from the system, the whole system is 500 and around 43 watts. So you might think, okay, 650 is very, very close. Why would you actually get a 750 watts or 850 watts? Because that will be like, in an area that you're not utilizing fully on your power supply. So what I did, I have the 650 watts, okay? And before I got the 650 watts, I actually test the power draw, and so it's around 530. So the threshold is at 100 watts between 550 and 650. There's 100 watts. I believe you should just keep that area free, just because you want to blow your power supply. You want to give it like room to breathe. And 550 is below 555, 45. That's full system load that I did. So that's I would actually the best possible power supply. No, it depends on your CPU. My CPU is the 8th gen i7. It's not the K version because the K is gonna pull a lot of power, man. But you don't need that much power. I believe the whole power is be dependent on the GPU when it comes to Cyberpunk. So yeah, I got the 8th gen, and I made sure that it's very, very well cooled. I used the, as you can see in my case, Cooler Master fans. It's really good. It's almost as good as a water cooler. It's not as perfect as water cooler, but it's really good up there. It's the best. Um, it's not a water cooler, of course. It's the fans, but we know what I'm talking about. So, anyways, if you look at my PC, I think it's the perfect setup for a Cyberpunk or RTX 3090. If you want an RTX 3090, just don't put a lot of money on your case, or for example on your gaming PC, for the fact that you actually already paid a lot for the GPU, so you need to make sure that you not pay a lot on your other stuff. Just have two Corsair 8 gigabytes, two RAMs, so that's 16 gigabytes of RAMs, and the motherboard is the MSI ATX 3X 3090. Sorry, it's not the X, it's the 3090 motherboard. So yeah, that's basically what it is, and why you actually see the 650 watts I'm using. Yeah, just try to not pull a lot of from your wallets, because you already did with the RTX 3090. Now, if you having RTX 3070 or RTX 3080, you want to build, obviously you're gonna go lower, way lower. Like you can go for 550 watts easily, 550 watts. Why I'm saying that? Because as you have seen, a full system load with RTX 3090 gonna hit around. I mean, my setup. I'm talking about my setup, not the i9K. All that. Come to CPU. My setup is gonna give you 540 watts maximum on RTX 3090. So if you want to go to RTX 3080, 3070, 3060 Ti, you can go as low as 450 watts or 550 watts. 550, yeah, 550 watts. So yeah, just for you to consider your budget when making a gaming laptop or gaming PC. Thank you, everybody. See you later.